Unit 5, Lesson 2, Role of the Discussion Leader. This lesson will look at the role of the discussion leader in problem-based learning and the tasks of the discussion leader. It will also look at how the facilitator can support the discussion leader. The discussion leader is also known as the chair. They drive the problem-based learning process from a student perspective. They build management and leadership skills. Their main task is to prepare for and run meetings. This involves preparing an agenda. The agenda must have a structure for the discussion. The team should be consulted at the start of the meeting and see if the agenda is accepted or needs to be changed. A table of contents is the analogy used to describe the nature of the agenda. Hillela and Fairholm 2008 also suggests questioning and the use of concept maps. The objective of the agenda is to encourage exploration and creativity, and so should be structured in a manner to enable this. The agenda may be circulated prior to the meeting. They also discuss the tutorial memo. This is outlined in the next lesson, and this should be done at the beginning of the meeting for interim and closing meetings. They should ensure that meetings run in a positive manner through minimising conflict and creating a can-do attitude where everyone feels confident about themselves and what they are doing. They also ensure all participants participate equally. They entice shy participants and encourage those who dominate in a polite manner. They ensure that those speaking are not interrupted, and if a person is speaking for too long, they politely ask them to say it briefly. A round-robin technique may be good for encouraging shy participants where each person is requested to give their input into the discussion. They ensure that all problem-based learning steps are completed adequately enough to address the problem, and the discussion does not deviate from the task at hand. They encourage mutual support. They encourage team members to be respectful of each other, they curb impolite behaviour, and encourage the equal sharing of tasks. They ensure that low priority tasks do not dominate, and they summarise each item on the agenda before moving on and summarise the discussion at the end. How to support the discussion leader. This includes informing them of what your expectations are of them, give them the above list of tasks, build confidence and encourage the person, make the discussion leader feel good about themselves. If they're confident, they will perform their leadership role better. Brief them on how to deal with shy and dominant personalities in meetings by using techniques such as the round robin. In the next lesson, lesson 3, we will examine the role of the recorder.